let's discuss the priority scheduling algorithm in terms of the coding. So this program implements this algorithm to schedule process based on their priority. So it prompts the user to enter their burst time and priority for each process, and simulates the execution according to their priority order and prints the execution order along with the current time. So now let's discuss this code like step by step. So first of all, like as in the previous code, I define like max processes, this constant, and assign it to 10, like the maximum number of processes that this code can handle, and created a structure named processed. It's also the same, but we have here new member, which is the priority. So what priority does is just represents the priority of the process based the number, as you see here, like for example priority is 1, and for example here priority is 2, so which one has the lowest number, like lowest value, so that's process gonna be processed first. That's thing. Now let's jump into the main functions in this one of the main functions in this code, and that's the priority scheduling itself, this function. So it takes an array of processes as the same as in the previous code, and the n as a number as input for number of processes. And now we're having our the like loop, our basically the logic of this code, and this block of code sorts the processes array based on their priority in ascending order, as you see here, and it uses a simple bubble sort algorithm to achieve this. So I implemented the bubble sort here. Next, what we having here is that this block of code, like it simulates the execution of the process according to their priority order, and then it iterates like over the sorted array of processes and prints the execution order along with the current time, as you see here, and it updates the current time by adding the burst time of each process. So that's how it's done, and we are calling this our priority scheduling function in our main method, as you see here. So basically this is our main function. So here it prompts the user to enter the number of processes and reads the input into the variable, so as you see here, and then this part of the code prompts the user to enter the burst time and priority for each process. So to do that, we are creating a loop as we are like iterating for each process to enter that value, and it also assigns a process ID to each process, then as I said before, calling our method and returning 0 as the end of our main method. So let's see, for example, how it works here. For example, if I enter, for example, 5, let's see, burst time 3, priority is 2, 7, 4, like for process 3 it's 8, it's 1, and like 2, 4, and for process 5, let's see here, as you see, it prioritized based on the like priority that I give. So as you see, for the process 3 in ascending order, 1 is the lowest, so it is it outputted like as the first, and that's how it's going for the priority scheduling. So the idea of priority is working in this code, and that's how we can implement this algorithm in terms of the coding in C language.